Meet Mr. and Mrs. Jones. They've worked their entire lives to build a valuable business and decided that now is the time to enjoy the fruits of their labor. As they sat down with their CPA to discuss selling their business, their CPA warned them that the tax man would be knocking at their door to collect up to 37% of what they worked so hard to build. Well, needless to say, they were devastated. Hadn't they been paying taxes all along? Of course, this would dramatically change their retirement plans, or maybe they couldn't afford to sell their business. After looking for solutions to this problem, it seemed as though they were left with only 3 options. Reluctantly write the largest check they'd ever written to the IRS, agree to an installment sale and take the risk of carrying back a note, which could expose them to buyer default, loss of sales proceeds, or being left with a business that had been run into the ground and left with little or no value. Or third, use a trust to reduce the impact of taxes. After looking at different providers, they found several trusts that were too permanent in nature. Some lacked the ability to customize a plan to fit their needs, and many had historically poor payouts due to low interest rates. Then they discovered a revolutionary trust program developed by the Asset Exchange. The Appreciated Asset Exchange program allows folks like the Joneses to gain asset protection of their proceeds and defer the capital gains tax with customization to fit their own retirement plan, putting the full proceeds after the sale available to work for them, instead of only what would have been left over after paying taxes. Which amount of money would you rather have working for you? This or that? The benefits of tax deferral, asset protection, and the ability to build a custom plan allowed them to sell the business they'd worked so hard to build and enjoy their retirement better than they'd imagined. It's obvious why the Joneses now recommend that anybody considering selling real estate, a business, or other assets call the Asset Exchange first to protect your hard work and smart decisions from the cost of immediate capital gains tax. Call the Asset Exchange today and see how they can help maximize the value you have built and keep the retirement and lifestyle you deserve. Call 303-317-6598.